Liv, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some vegan and gluten-free fudgy candy cane brownies. They are perfect for a holiday dessert if you're like going to a dinner and you want to impress some non-vegans or some family members that claim they don't like vegan food. And I promise you can't tell that they are vegan or gluten-free. So I am so excited to be sharing this recipe with you guys today. But that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into the video. Start off by adding your buckwheat flour to a large mixing bowl, followed by the cocoa, sugar, and baking soda, and stir that until it's all combined. Then you can add in the non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk, vegetable oil, and chia egg. I know this looks kind of weird, it's just chia seeds mixed with water, but it's a really nice egg replacer for vegan baked goods. And then stir that until it forms a batter. Make sure you scrape the bottom so that there's no flour hiding down there. And then I like to add some chocolate chunks. These are actually just semi-sweet ones that are accidentally vegan that I found at my bulk food store. And then you can add the batter to a parchment-lined baking pan. Then just smooth out the top, and then you can bake those in your 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 28 to 30 minutes. So for the frosting, we're adding some vegan butter, powdered sugar, and peppermint extract. And then using a hand mixer, just mix that until it's all combined. And then you want to just slowly add the rest of the powdered sugar and a little bit more extract or a drizzle of water to reach a nice medium thick frosting consistency, and give it a taste to make sure that it has enough peppermint flavor for you. But I find that a teaspoon is perfect. And then once the brownies are cooled, you can frost them. You don't want to add the frosting while they're warm at all because it will just completely melt off the brownies. While you're waiting for them to cool, you can actually smash up your candy canes. I just put mine in a food processor and blitz them for a couple seconds, but you can also put them in a bag and use a rolling pin or something heavy to smash them into little pieces. And so then once the frosting is on there, you can just add the candy canes and press them down into the frosting, and then you are ready to serve. I don't know why in all my years of holiday baking, I never thought to make candy cane brownies. This is the first year I ever thought of it. This is like my ideal holiday dessert, I would say. One thing though, if you don't want to make these gluten-free and you use all-purpose flour, they will be a lot more like cakey brownies instead of fudgy brownies, and I really don't like cakey brownies, so that's why I always make fudgy brownies. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you try out these amazing brownies, take a photo and tag me on Instagram or Twitter at It's Liv B. Thank you guys for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.